Company logo, company, change company settings, branding, company logo. From this screen, you can attach your company logo to the system. Click Choose File and browse for image. You can attach logo in JPG format, TIFF format, GIF format, PNG format and BMP formats. You can select the position of logo on invoices and statement by clicking this drop-down menu. If you select none, your logo will not display in documents. If you select top left, system will display logo on left side. If you select top right, system will display logo on right side. By clicking preview button, you can view. There are two checkboxes. First one, logo on invoice and statement emails. If you want to display your company logo on invoices and statement emails, you can check this checkbox. Second checkbox, logo on customer zone. If you want to display your logo on customer zone, you can check this checkbox. You can view the current saved logo. After that, click Save. After you attach the company logo, you can view in customer documents.